Hello everyone, this is Rohini from Section A 2022 batch. I have taken Rising Unemployment in India as an IEP term project. Introduction. Rising unemployment is one of the major economic problems that are faced in India in recent days. India's unemployment rate rose sharply to 9.1% in December 2022. Even as economic activity continues to increase, the unemployment rate in December was the highest in the past 6 months. According to the Mumbai based think tank Center for Monitoring India Economy, since the beginning of India's recovery in June, after months after lockdown. Also, the unemployment rate in December was over 2.5%, higher than the 6.5% recorded in the November. It makes much worse than the rise in unemployment comes along with a high inflation, which has been in a vicinity of 7% in recent months. Further, the big increase in unemployment strength worries regarding the recovery process. Labor participation rate. So, a reason for the rising unemployment rate in December was a partial recovery of the labor participation rate, according to CMIE. It may be noted that the LPR had earlier fallen to 40% in November 2020 from 40% in the preceding 2 months. The low LPR reduces pressure in the low labor market as it implied that the lower number of people were looking for jobs. This is the reason why the unemployment rate fell to 6.5% in November. However, in December, the LPR saw a partial recovery to 40.6%. Likewise, the number of people looking for work increased. According to CMIE, the labor force increased from an estimated 421 million in December to 427 million in December. And why unemployment rate is increasing? So the reason is one of the key reason behind rising unemployment last month was a failure of farm sector to absorb the influx of additional labor. The story in December 2020 was no different as the sector shed 9.8 million jobs. Subsequently, the count of unemployment individuals mounted to 38.7 million in December in comparison to 27.4 million in November, a massive increase of 11.3 million. It's been noted that the sharp rise how now places the unemployment higher than before the lockdown. The average count of unemployment in 2019-20 was 33.3 million. The highest count in the year was 37.9 million in March 2020, and it was below 36 million before that. While the increase in labor force contributed partially to the rising unemployment rate, a fall in unemployment also increased unemployment numbers last month. Employment fell by 4.8 million from 393.6 million in November to 388.8 million in December. That is 6% drop. Beside the farm sector letting go of workers, the deterioration in labor market conditions across urban and rural regions also led to higher unemployment. Meanwhile, urban India saw its unemployment rise from 7.1% to 8.8%. In urban, there has been a rise in LPR from 37.1% to 37.7%. That the employment rate also fell in urban areas to 34.4%. The, the sharp deterioration in labor market condition may act as a roadblock in the process of economic recovery, as it led to lower employment opportunities. CMIE indicates that such problems are persisting in more than one sector and region. CMIE noted that employment has been falling a monthly basis since September 2020 due to lockdown. It is not a good sign for economy as it could lead to a much slower recovery and higher income equality. Thank you.